Yesu Wumugusi.
Noko semeri kwano mwanju murianda onse sobete ni kwenda tukutwara alituko ligi ya nene kiro chichita likibiro motienyo kanu mwaka ujirubire nemerongo ibere nebere niongo kwari ni asemesa ya mangana Amayia Chinsa Ikomi eringo manyi nari alituwa kusangiri kuli agakete kuikabonika kuruchingongo nye chenze ili anyi moja sukuswamo na busongo noko bori kwane kono ikaranso iki nkwerere ayuamo na mange unatuwa sangiri chuku sansa mananira Chinsa Ikomi nyorana inyora nabo kwenda kutubwatia sensemeri mitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News, YouTube nabo tonyora Ndizi TV News, boygo nabo to tweet @Ndizi TV News, utarikwe bako to tweet @Ndizi TV News, boygo nabo to mekerengerkia gwetera sinamba hira siskini yao yora sensemeri yumundu wimanyirio nigakorwa Joshua Uta neriane Brighton Makoli. Chitari kibere chomotienyo kaneni go ense anyarte kubekari tukeli ensemu hanene go chengera abana bali babwate oborema hanene yimanyikanite buna autism litukolero ni go bona bayiboli banyadire bakobori bwa gutabisa abana bali babwate oborema obwo na kubasokya eri banyara bagokonywa asense yitu ya Kenya ne nasorongo rwito rwagusi root kwambuka no mo director ho ase ekiombe kia Dazzling Center uyibono onyorega kurwege kurugo kya saba iboli bali bakobisa abana bali babwate oborema obu tetonyore roboti rwae ngaki kwambuka anyaraga kuboli abayiboli abo gutabisa abana babwate oborema obu.
2nd of April is World Autism Day, but the whole of April, the whole month is normally it's Autism World Awareness Month. Tutakuwa tukicreate awareness about autism. What I can say to the public or to the community and society as a whole, let's embrace these kids. Let's embrace the autistic community. These are people who are just like us. And me, actually being a mother of an autistic child, they have a lot of potential. They can learn a lot of things, and they can be people that we can look up to in society. So to see wa feature watoto, tuwape nafasi kwa society so that they can fit in our society.
Asijinga geje jomo subat merza sirisha nere niganyarika kobolie byombe anene ewisara yegisemi kobeke meroberi yabe nerigo sokye gosikobeke meroberio yabe na abana abatakeri gosomi gwasigiskuru akawukwana nigateberuna kiskuru kinyinge nchibu hati meroberi yo gosomi abana aba kulinda sateberuna esira basi netakeri gosokigwa inde gokonya abana barukonyora masomo haisaine imeyensi ito ya Kenya.
To help those affected with autism, first of all, the theme for this year is supporting education for all. And we understand that learning can be very difficult for autistic children. So we have modified learning to them to be in a special way that they can be able to understand learning, supporting autistic children and their families, and basically understanding what autism is and the challenges that comes with them will make things easier for us to accept these people, to reduce the stigma, and to be able to raise healthy children, autistic or not. Mostly for autism children, you find that learning becomes difficult for them. Emotional expression becomes very difficult for them. So it can be hard to relate to other people. It can be difficult to to even understand themselves as they are growing up, and we are supporting them to ensure that they understand that it is a normal thing and it is something that they can be able to go through life.
So kila kugikilingana lia beteri tukuri goro ekera bantu kurwa sensema gose bunge ya soye ko bunge ya soye county ya Wasinigishu banyarite bago saga nendege ya muburi tumura ibiki magyo demrera morodinga nigobono oyo kuriye kirugo kibo base bunge ya bonchali Charles Njoke anyale kawe so kina kobori aba Kenya banyare bakoralio morembe na gwetanga kurwa sigisegi gose ibintu biribira biro kani ensi ya Kenya karutwendete kweriga ngo cyaso bajore bonne umwakoyo
mangana bete igoro sesemo ya soi omusikira itonere Raila Odinga ko gena matanga uchikorwe ngora yaye yorale te Jackson Kibor olutwe menengwe olutwa matimo olutwa amagena olutwa kindi ruche akomyo kubune ngabi na ene mpora chikorwa mangana kiaye ngeto yokora siasa yento ko kono morembe tutakora monde wensi takutonderi kindi yone ligena igine ko kora riwaso kwena digoite taibo one ngaki ya siasa pako mutingyo nane ikira ageresa njo ya siasa moita no yomino ene amamete mtinga kichionse ora moyo mino oito yomina akwe aina mangana maya una ntubona ba Kristo tobe abamutu kabisa wasemia bana kubanjuna ngaki nyore ngaki ya siasa na otora tewe no yonkubwatsi lakini ntora amana ntorwana ntorutonde ikindi toigwana nire
abo batani bekia magi ODM kurwase county ya Kisii hanene bali bakomo koboko yokuriye kiruki bugavana se county yo Simbarati nigobono barekane gote abuna nigo bago jukweruse kurwase kyamekyo bune kyamekyo sobotene bwe kyamekyo mburi kukwena na chitiketi gochase bali bakuriye birogo au asenjera yo bwene no bwasyoku.
We the Kisii County ODM aspirants in the MNA and MCA seats across the 9 constituencies and 45 wards do hereby resolve as follows. 1. That we are aggrieved, angered and annoyed by the decision by the party to purport to give a direct ticket to one Janet Ongera as the women representative ODM flag bearer. The consensus in DC is not welcome, since the date for nominations are slated to be on 7th of April, which is only 6 days away, and all aspirants here can attest with me that they are ready for nominations. That we all aspirants, the 103 in number, do resolve that we all meet in Chungwa House on Monday with our resignation letters from ODM in readiness to a different party or independent if the National Elections Board will not rescind its purported decision to give one Honorable Janet Ongera a direct ticket under ODM. Number 5, that we demand that our gubernatorial ODM flag bearer, Honorable Simba Arat, be given the latitude to arrange plan for ODM in Kisii County the same way the outgoing Governor Ongwae was treated in both 2013 and 2017.
Ayukaga enderede ni gobono munyakero bobwe kyombekyo gose kyamagi ODM kurwase county ya Kisii kirosio ndie kyanyaleka weso kina watabuna kungusana na konde ngoyo kurase kyamagi ODM nigatebuna obachorio bokebwe kyamekyo nigoboro beri uchokorekana asenjira yo bwene no bwasio kwa sebego abateruna babwatani be kyamekyo babe no botoereru ekere kyamekyo ndete kubike meruberio yabene rikwena kibuna obachorio nguchiboro korekana asenjira endonge.
The perceptions that we have factions is neither here nor there. It's a fact that we are now in a political stage where people are fighting for tickets. So there is a perception which is created that there are divisions. There are no divisions. I'm the chairman of the party and firmly in control of the same.
Kurwase county ya Kisii na neo tokwanda wikase county ya Nyamira sebo iko nanda babwatani be kyamagi ODM na barabanya ribagwe soki na kumobuli murai bwe kyamekyo Raila Odinga gojigoteso na ni asobo jorio boke bwe kyamekyo anenekero batebiruna netakeire kwa huri bageri banyare bagochora bali barajikuiru kibendere yo kuri birugo au imeye county yo ya Nyamira.
Amua kama wapiga kura, tupige kura, tutoe mtu wetu mbele aendelee kupigania hiyo kiti. Asanteni. Rumors inatoka hapa na kule kama kuna watu watapewa tiketi za free waendelee kupigania hiyo kiti, lakini sisi kama wapiga kura tunataka tuende kwa uwanja tupige kura kwanza ndio tujue ni nani anaendelea.
Kama hivi kusimamia wana youth, kuambia kwamba kuna kila mtu akona uwezo wake wa kuchagua kiongozi ambaye anataka. Sasa kwa hivyo tupewe nafasi tuende tuchague, kila mtu achague kiongozi wake ambaye anampenda.
Sisi kama watu wa Nyamira County tunamuomba Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga awajane sisi tufanye nomination yetu Nyamira County. Mheshimiwa Raila, sisi ni watu wa Azimio. Tunakuomba uache sisi tufanye uchaguzi wetu, tumchague yule ambaye atapewa tiketi kwa kuwania ugavana. Yule mwenye mnataka kupatia unaweza pata hiyo tiketi inaenda kuraliwa, lakini yule ambaye tutachagua upate ndiye atakuwa gavana Nyamira County.
Abarai aoni wanande baso kirena kugikiria koru Kenya rege korekana seri tukurigoro asense meri go sasi county yashinigishu asabantu banyarite bagusagana endege ya mubugori timokonyi endege ya mubugori timurai wiki amagyo demraira morodinga amana babwatani bande bobo mabwasimyo ramoja korengana na roboti rwanyaro kubwatuko go kiasi chinyomba cyuburari ruruhari kwa noyo na province makao mutua oyore omonyakirobo gwekiombe kirigyo ko campaign umurai wiki amagyo demraira Morodinga nikobono bamochirie gekorwe kya sababu ria bakenya bonsi ko babatwereru na gote habuna bari baguturubani bose bari batagete guturubani mo remba sinsi ya Kenya batakiri kweguri bagakorengana nhere nigatebuna ibinte ibietiru ne chingaki igo nere bona bakenya banyare bagutwara chingoro chinyoro na kwa onde bwensiri baga uri okoriye birogo kuraria goseguya kereko ko andonsia sinsi ito ya Kenya. Ekardo sukabosio ni gobono korengana no roboti orugo siko korengana nali akorekana dedi tukure gorase bunge ya soye ekabunge ose county ya osinigishu ni gobono abantu 14 banyarira kubekwa byara kubwatikana no busagani bakorekana dedi tukure korengana no mo county commissioner bwe county ya osinigishu Steven Kiara niganyarika hote abuna abantu abuni go babekiru byara nani go baendete gukonya abanyanyimbo ko korobotuki na kumanyangigirite abantu abugusagana endege yo murai wiki amagyo demraira Morodinga boigo omugavana bwe county ya Usinigishu Jackson Mandago niganyarika ukana chinkuma cyanyati gukwano buna ne rolenge bwa barai bali banyarite bakwarigania ubusagani ubu as county yo.
Been able to arrest 14 out of the youth that participated in the throwing stone yesterday. At night we are also able to get statement even from the captain who was also who was the one who was carrying the prime minister. He has given us his own experience, what he saw, and also we have also engaged even the inspector, the chief inspector, who was also accompanying the prime minister up to the residence, from the residence up to the chopper. But what we want to update, we want to say is we are heading somewhere. We are sure we are going to lead to one of the leaders who is likely to have organized that group.
Junaid Mohammed and Babu Owino, that probably because they have been in a league of politics of violence, they think everybody else every politician in this country subscribe to that kind of politics. They should realize that personally I am above that. I cannot, as a governor and as a leader of this county and this country, be among those who think retrogressively. Junaid Mohammed and Babu Owino should be grateful to Mandago. If I was a politician who just thinks about political divides and does politics of hatred and violence, I would not have given them my car. I don't know how Junaid forget so fast that when they were alighting from the helicopter, it's actually my car that brought them to the venue. And it is my same car that took them to the helicopter.
Abarai boigo bas miura moja ba bwata chikampeni chia ba sense meria West Pokot ase boigo murai wiki amagyo mrera Morodinga ikirana ase musangano yo nigo bono ba machiri ya koro Kenya rike korakana litko ligoro.
Nataka nichukue nafasi hii kulaani kile kitendo ambacho kilifanyika jana. Sisi kama Wakenya tunataka uchaguzi wa amani, Hatutaki fujo yoyote kama ile ilikuwa miaka ile iliyopita. Tunataka tuendelee pamoja kama Kenya moja. Tuko pamoja. Kwa hivyo wale walifanya hiyo kitendo wakome, tuendelee mbele kama one Kenya.
Ile tuliona kwa TV tana jana, hiyo ni ujinga ya watu wachache na isisambae kokote Kenya mzima.
Tunataka kukomboa Kenya. Tunataka kupigana yale maadui matatu makubwa ya Wakenya: ugonjwa, ujinga na umaskini.
Asichinga geje joni gobono mokonyi bomorai bwense Dr. William Ruto neranyarika kugikeri kore kyanyarika kore kanali ture goro asibo igasabira amabera gochia somorai bwekia magodi amraira morodinga asedingana liri yakore kanite lituko ligoro.
I also take this opportunity to apologize to the Honorable Raila Odinga for what happened to him yesterday. It was really unfortunate, and I hope those who engaged in this exercise regret what they did. And as I have said, we will roll out the party structures to work with the security agencies so that we can get to the root of this act, which is most unfortunate, and we will demonstrate our commitment to an election that is peaceful by making sure that we take the necessary steps to ensure that all our members, all our candidates, and our entire party engages in this election on the basis of ideas and not any acts that are as unfortunate as we saw yesterday. So thank you very much.
Abunongo ikomweri bamangana ito Chinsa Ikomi konde nyono nage koraga inse ya mona ni chigwira na semesa mangana Amayia iringo manyi na ralia ngenda wat keme na isko ya gusinyerana abakanda kutupasi sense media mitandao Facebook kutonyora Ndizi TV News boyga sense media YouTube na bakotonyora Ndizi TV News utari kweba kuto tweet @Ndizi TV News ekerengel kyao ni utukyari ndikirenza kireza ikagwethera asena mbiyira se skin ya yora bugo twaro bulgiro byasi daika chitali chinyinge kuruboniga ni gochikumerana na Captain 001 asomoro berwe chikosona bagasolia elia kumanyi na ralia kuru asebiti oyo lenga somo ndwe manyererio nigakoro kwa chosho auta na nje korando ke Brighton Makoli tingo ibobe twaro bulgiro bya.
Omurigereria bwe television ya Ndizi TV vono na bukura yubunchuria bwao ase television ya Ndizi TV chinga kichindi chonsi elio wikere abarigereria kuruchi county sana na ibire echuchira sorogonkorwa Nyanza na boigo Rift Valley akesimi ase namba enoti sana na ibire inya isato isano nemo ibire isato isano na isato isano na ibire eyemo elio togwikere gose otutarire ase chiabisi chito echuchira nyumba ya Brighton Apart